Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to permanently delete Instagram account. If you're using Instagram and you want to permanently delete your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. Then tap on settings of the gear icon in the top right and just tap on account center. And here you just have to select personal details option. Then select account ownership and control. Then tap on deactivation or deletion. And here select your Instagram account. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. Then tap on delete account. Then tap on continue here. And here you'll get your Instagram informations you have in your Instagram app profile. Then tap on continue option here. Now you can tell Instagram why you're deleting your Instagram account, but I'm gonna select continue without selecting any option. But you just have to select any option. So let's say I'm gonna select this one here. Just tap on continue here. And then tap on continue option again. Now from here, what you can do, you can export your information before you delete your account. So it will save all of your Facebook, your Instagram profile information. And after that, you can also deactivate your account if you don't want to delete your account permanently. You can temporarily delete or deactivate your account. Or if you want to delete your account, just tap on the continue option and your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way, you can easily permanently delete your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.